Since most of you are interested in manga creation, I thought I'm gonna start a tutorial series about how to make your own manga, starting from the basics. First, we're starting with the story, since no matter how talented artist you might be, if you don't have a good story, you can't make a good comic. I think there's no perfect plan for that, as you can never create something that everyone will like. But I still believe there are some basic points a good story needs. I always build my manga stories around these key points, and so far they helped me a big time. Now I share them with you. First, choose your preferred audience. Second, find the base feeling for your story. Third, create the basics for your world. First, choose your preferred audience. Like I said previously, you don't have to impress everyone with your stories. There are some really famous creators who have those stories which hooked up millions of people, but even these great stories have a great amount of haters. So instead of struggling for a worldwide hit, try to think about a preferred group of audience who are easily reachable. Remember, even the greatest hits started out small, with only a handful of fans. In my case, this preferred audience is the teens and young adults, especially from the manga subculture. Most of my stories are about friendship, love, fun, and adventures, which pretty much fits in the definition of youngster literature. This pretty much gives the borderlines for the story. If you know or can assume what your preferred audience wants to read about, you can create stories fitting their expectations, and you don't have to waste effort on coming up with things they will feel uncomfortable with. Believe me, this will make things easier for both of you. Second, find the base feeling for your story. This talk can be pretty much called as my personal ideology behind story creating, but I believe this is important and true. What makes a story good? Of course, the answer will differ with every story, but if you take a look behind everything, you will realize the answer. It's the feeling it gives. The best stories are interacting with our inner self, and together they create the bond which will lead us to liking a story. If you go deeper, regardless the concrete details of stories, you can realize that the basic of every story is an answer for our secret wishes. Wishes we might not even realize, but they are there, deep in everyone. Like, we wouldn't want to be a wizard, a pirate, a Jedi, famous, a hero, or we wouldn't want to explore adventures, new worlds, be part of secrets and exciting things. I'm sure you would want at least one of these. Find these wishes of yours and try to make these to the base of your story. Sometimes you don't even have to think about it because your imagination tends to show what your heart desire. Just close your eyes and try to feel the inner hero in you. Third, create the basics for your world. After you successfully found the answer for the previous 2 points, all you need is a concrete plot for the story. This plot can be from anything. It can be inspired by a song, a feeling, a person, a true story, a dream, or even another artwork. As long as it gives you the inspiration, it's fine. All you need to do is to grab this inspiration and fuse it with your word and your imagination. The easiest way is to adapt things you know well. Find your roots and build your story from your word. I'm sure everyone has at least one of these: an important memory, an interesting person you know, or an interesting what if ID. The more, the better. If you think about this, you'll realize you can form this into your story with the addition of your imagination. It's all in and around you. Just open your eyes and mind and try to find these little wonders behind the grey everydays. Color them with your imagination. And now you have it right there. Your story.